GitHub Copilot is no longer just sitting inside your code editor. Microsoft has turned it into a standalone app. But the real question is simple. Does separating Copilot from VS Code actually make it better, or is this just packaging the same AI in a different window? Because at first, this feels like a small change. Copilot has always lived inside tools like VS Code, quietly suggesting code, completing functions, and acting like a very fast autocomplete engine that occasionally feels like it knows your project better than you do. Now, with the standalone app, Copilot becomes more like a general-purpose AI workspace for developers. Instead of only interacting with it inside code files, you can chat with it, plan projects, generate code snippets, debug issues, and even explore repositories in a more conversational environment outside your editor. And that changes the workflow more than people expect. Because inside an editor, Copilot is reactive. It waits for you to write code and then completes it. In the standalone app, it becomes proactive in a different way. You can start with a problem, not a file, and let it guide the structure before you even open your IDE. That's useful for planning, learning, and debugging high-level architecture problems, but it also introduces a strange disconnect. You're no longer coding with Copilot inside your editor. You're now switching between environments, which can either feel flexible or slightly fragmented depending on your workflow. And that's where the trade-off shows up. The standalone app is great for brainstorming, understanding code bases, and getting unstuck when you don't even know where the bug is. But when it comes to actual deep coding, most developers will still end up back inside VS Code where everything is tightly integrated. Performance-wise, nothing fundamentally changes about the model itself. It's still Copilot underneath. The difference is purely in how you interact with it and how much context you choose to give it. So, after looking at what actually changed, how it fits into real workflows, and where it struggles, the conclusion is simple. The GitHub Copilot app isn't a replacement for the coding experience inside your editor. It's a companion layer, a higher-level thinking tool that helps you plan, debug, and understand code before you write it, rather than replacing the act of coding itself. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.